Want to take advantage of a hot new trend in real estate marketing that is sure to separate you from your competition? More and more real estate agents are using single property websites to win more clients and sell more homes faster than ever before. But you may have concerns and questions you want answered, and we want to help by giving you a free report titled Single Property Website Secrets. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand why single property websites are the best marketing and selling tool, how to use them to stand out in a crowded and competitive market, and everything else you need to know before getting started. This report does not guarantee results and is for informational purposes only based on our research and experience. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.